Good afternoon, I'm calling this PHS News Today for Wednesday, August 21st. Do you love to play games like checkers, chess, or card games? Join the Games Club. We get together in homeroom once a month just to play games. Occasionally, we also sponsor tournaments. We are starting our membership drive for this year. Membership is $2 or 2 canned goods. You can join until September 11th. See Ms. Lindley if you'd like to join. All students interested in National Honor Society or National Junior Honor Society, please check the list of eligible students posted outside room 122, the main office, and the guidance office. Applications for NHS and NJHS can be picked up from Ms. Higgins in room 122. Ms. Noble will also have NHS applications. All applications are due back to Ms. Higgins in room 122 by 3:20 on Wednesday, August 28th. The application process is for new members only. Current members do not need to reapply. Boost Club will meet today in the upper gym during homeroom. If you cannot attend today's meeting, please see Mrs. Miller in room 113. The theme for Friday's game against Madison is camo. Wear your real tree or mosey oak. We're going hunting for the Cubs. Please remember that your themed outfit must be school appropriate. For Monday the 19th through Friday the 23rd, the Can Crew will be hosting a supply drive for the Essentials Project. The first round will be the most donations will receive donuts. Ms. Stroud is collecting bottle caps for a project. Please save your caps and take them to Mrs. Stroud's room. Collected caps will be taken to the First Chance Center at the end of each month. I'm calling that your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day. Good morning. I'm calling this year PHS News Today for Wednesday, August.
That ain't it.
That's not it for sure.